have?
Play-Doh.
What is it?
A tiger.
Oh, no. What does the tiger say? Where are you going?
Sit down.
No, you need to stay in your chair. Show me your tiger.
Hi.
What else can you make?
Tiger. Tiger.
What was it a minute ago?
Make you, mommy. Make you, mommy.
You're going to make me out of Play-Doh?
Uh-huh.
Okay, show me me. Oh. I'm kind of lumpy. Does that look like me yet?
And make our head.
Okay.
I do make our head now.
Is that my head?
And that's my head.
It looks like your head.
Uh-huh. Make our head.
Okay.
And that's our head.
Uh-huh. If you say so.
That's a tiger.
Uh-huh. Oh no, are you letting the tiger eat my head?
No?
Okay. Just checking.
Oh, meow.
That is scary. Oh, tiger. Ah.
Leo, make our eyes.
Okay.
Make our eyes.
Oh, that's so pretty.
And our eyes. Our back. Make our back.
Okay.
See?
I do see. Oh no, is the tiger eating my head again?
No. Make our feet. And make our feet. On our feet.
Okay.
There's
No more?
and no Play-Doh.
Yeah, that's all that's left.
Make or make it tiny.
Okay.
Me roll it.
Okay.
Roll.
Good job.
Roll.
I think that they can put you to work rolling fondant at Coffee to a T. What is that?
Tiger.
Wow, it's a scary tiger.
This is scary tiger.
What's his name?
Octopus.
His name is Platypus.
Perry.
Perry the Platypus?
Like Perry. Eyes.
Okay.
This mommy's back.